You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. For more confusing names from the Bible, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. More biblical names of different places in the Bible too. Stay tuned. Absolutely loads to learn here. In English, Elealeh, Elealeh, Elealeh. Some pronounce it also, it's a bit closer to Hebrew, Elealeh, Elealeh. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.